I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Activating an eSIM card with Freedom Mobile is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checkout and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Visit the Freedom Mobile website. Go to the Freedom Mobile activation page on their official website. This is where you begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your eSIM card number. Input the eSIM card number found on the back of the card. Double check for accuracy as a typo can delay activation. Step 4. Provide personal information. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name, address, and email. This is crucial for account verification. Step 5. Confirm activation. After submitting your information, you will receive a confirmation message. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or try refreshing the page. Once you've completed these steps, your eSIM should be activated and ready to use. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Freedom Mobile customer support. Happy connecting!